Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and proximity. Charge the Bose earbuds and open Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, take the earbuds out of the case and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes blue. That tells you they are in pairing mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable and not connected to another device. You'll see a new device listing for Bose. Tap it to start the connection. You should hear a confirmation tone from the earbuds when pairing succeeds. You now confirm the link and adjust settings. Once your phone shows connected, check audio by playing brief media and testing call routing. Allow microphone and media permissions if prompted so voice and sound work properly. If the Bose app is available, open it to install firmware updates and customize equalizer or touch controls. Updates can fix bugs and add features. Make sure left and right channels both play. If one is silent, reseat the earbuds in the case and repeat pairing to reset the connection. You finish by verifying stable performance and resolving common issues. If audio drops or pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth on your device or restart it. These quick steps often clear conflicts. If problems persist, reset the earbuds by pressing and holding the case or earbuds factory reset sequence for about 10 to 20 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode and reconnect. Make sure firmware is current in the Bose app, and keep the phone within 1 to 3 meters with minimal interference for reliable daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.